Tired of your YouTube videos getting lost in the endless scroll? Want to turn your channel into a viral sensation? AI technology will skyrocket your YouTube channel in 2024. Get ready to become the next big star. Well, you're in the right place. Today we're unlocking the secrets to YouTube stardom with the help of artificial intelligence. That's right, AI can be your secret weapon to skyrocket your views and build a massive following. Let's dive in. Enhanced video editing. AI is a game changer when it comes to editing. Tools like Wondershare Filmora, Adobe Premiere Rush, and InVideo offer AI-powered features that can automatically cut out boring parts, generate subtitles using Otter.ai or Descript, and create stunning visual effects with just a click. Improved video thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression. Use AI-driven design tools like Canva or Adobe Express to create eye-catching designs that accurately represent your content. Analyze successful thumbnails using platforms like TubeBuddy or Vidicue. Optimized video titles and descriptions. Forget about spending hours brainstorming titles and descriptions. AI tools like Jasper.ai or Copy.ai can suggest compelling titles based on your video content and even optimize them with the right keywords to boost your search rankings. Personalized video recommendations. Want to keep your viewers hooked? AI-powered platforms like YouTube Analytics and Google Trends can help you understand your audience's preferences and suggest relevant videos to watch next. Script writing and storytelling. Struggling with writer's block? AI writing assistants like Jasper.ai or Copy.ai can help you generate engaging scripts. Visualize your video's narrative structure using storyboarding tools like Celx or Storyboard That. Voiceover and audio enhancement. Need a professional voiceover but don't have the budget? Text-to-speech tools like Murph.ai or WellSaid Labs can generate high-quality voiceovers. Improve audio quality with noise reduction tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition. Running out of video ideas? AI-powered tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue can analyze trends. Understand your audience better with platforms like Google Analytics or YouTube Analytics. Brainstorm fresh concepts using mind-mapping tools like MindMeister or Miro. Video promotion. Let AI help you reach a wider audience. Schedule social media posts with tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Identify potential influencers using platforms like Influencer Marketing Hub or Hype Auditor. Real-time analytics and insights. Understanding your audience is key. Use AI-powered analytics tools like YouTube Analytics, Google Analytics, and Vidicue to track video performance, analyze viewer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. Engage your audience like never before with interactive elements. Use platforms like YouTube's interactive cards, Wocheat, or Branch to add quizzes, polls, and clickable links. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, it's essential to combine it with your unique creativity and passion. Use AI to enhance your workflow, but don't forget to add your personal touch. So, what are you waiting for? Start leveraging the power of AI to take your YouTube channel to new heights. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more such powerful content.